I'm starting with freshly moisturized hair, and I use Jamaican black castor oil and hair butter to moisturize my hair. Now I'm going in with some water in a spray bottle, and I'm just going to spray all over my hair so that my hair is a little bit moist. After that, I'm massaging my hair so that the water can mix. I don't know if it has any effect, but I just do that so that the water goes evenly. And then after that, I'm just going to cut my hair into 2 parts, or rather divide my hair into 2 parts. And if you're doing a half up, half down, I'll want you to pay attention to starting the line from in front of your ear, because if you do it at the back, it's going to be difficult for you to work with. So I'm just going to continue spraying my hair with water to make it damp. After that, I'm going to continue combing through my hair to detangle it to make sure that it is tangle free. And right now, I'm just going to pat my hair so that I can proceed to do some cornrows. So I really don't know how to braid, so I'm just here doing the bare minimum, just it's self-explanatory, just look at it. But I'm going to look for a tutorial on how to braid hair, and then I'm going to put it down in my description box. So I'm going to go over to the other side of my head, and then I'm going to pat it and then proceed to do another cornrow. It doesn't have to be anything fancy. I just need a foundation to put my pins through when I try to secure my wig. So that is why I just do some little braids, and the rest of the hair doesn't really need anything. So here is the wig I did in the last video. I'm going to link that down in the description box as well. So this is what I was talking about. You need a foundation to put your wig comb through, and also to put your bobby pins. So I'm just going to wear the wig, adjust it on my hair, see how it looks like, and then I'm going to proceed with some bobby pins, and I'm going to use this to secure my hair. So I'm just going to put it around it. I'm just securing the perimeter of my hair because I know that I'm going to be moving a lot, and I want to use this hairstyle for a week. So I'm going to use a lot of bobby pins to secure the hair. Okay, so now our wig is secured, and I'm just going to proceed to parting my hair. My mom taught me this trick when she used to do my hair. You use the tip of your nose to measure the midsection of your hair. So that's basically what I did, and I'm just trying to make sure that it's a straight line, and then I continue to comb my hair. I've been trying hairstyles the whole morning, and at this point I was about to give up, but thank God that I didn't give up. So I'm going back to combing my hair, and then I'm going to try and smooth it out, and I use a rubber band to put my hair in a ponytail. I don't know if this is considered to be a ponytail, but you get the picture. Again, I'm going to repeat that on the other side, using a hard brush to smoothen my hair, and then using a rubber band to tie my hair in a ponytail. I'm going to go in with the hard brush again to just smoothen over the hair to make sure that it is seamless. I did use a lot of gel when I was trying out hairstyles, so I did not see the need to keep on using gel, but you can do that. It just depends on you. After that, I'm going to tie my hair in a bun, and then I'm going to use rubber bands to secure that. Again, going in with my hard brush to just make sure that everything is smooth. I'm going to tie my hair with a silk scarf to make sure that everything is laid and perfect, and after 5 minutes I'm going to take it out. So I'm taking out the hair, and as you can see, it is laid. So using some leftover hair from the wig video, I'm just going to crochet the head. I don't know how to say this, but I'm just going to crochet the hair. It's like a braidless crochet tutorial. There are lots of videos like that on YouTube, so I'm going to link some again down. I'm going to link some in my description box. So I'm just going to go ahead and crochet. It's the basic crochet steps. You put in your pin, you pull some hair through, and then you pull it through in a loop. I don't know if I'm explaining it well, but you can see it's very self-explanatory. Again, I'm going to crochet the hair on the bun itself so that it hides the bun. I'm just going to speed up this video because it's the same process. I'm just going to do this to basically cover up the whole, not the whole hair, but I'm just going to do this so that it's bulky and then it covers up majority of the hair. So I did that on both sides, and now I'm just trying to arrange the hair, you know, try to cover up the messy parts so that it's seamless. So right now I'm just going to, you know, when you do ponytails, you just use one side to wrap around the other side. So that is basically what I'm doing now. And then I'm going to loosen or take off the rubber band and then just fluff out my hair. So you could rock the hair like this if you want to, but I don't want to. So I'm going to go to the next part. I'm just going to lay my baby hairs down, and I'm using Eco Gel, the Eco Styler gel for this. To do the space buns, I don't know, to do the buns, I'm just going to take the hair and continuously wrap it around to form a bun, and then I'm going to use a bobby pin to secure it. After that, I'm just going to try and fluff out the hair so that it looks full, and then I'm going to just arrange my hair, and we are basically done. It is time to flaunt. Okay, slay auntie. Okay, smile. Alright, okay. So yeah, it's 3 days after. I'm just going to show you guys how I care for the hair, and this is the night. Well, actually this is in the morning, but this is what I do every night before I go to bed. So I just take my silk scarf and then I wrap it around my hair. The video is self-explanatory. I wrap it around my hair and then I tie it to make sure that it is secure. Don't do it too tight, if not you're going to have terrible headaches, but just make sure it's secure enough. And then as you can see, there is no hair out of the wrap, so it's okay like that. But if you want to be like me, I am going to add a hair bonnet, and this one is also loose. I don't want to sleep with anything that makes my hair really tight, so I'm just going to wear the bonnet, and as you can see, we are good to go. And right now I'm just going to sleep. So this is me in the morning, showing you my morning routine. I'm going to go in with this olive oil sheen spray. I'm just going to spray it on the hair to give it a little bit of shine. And I'm going to go in with this gel. It's not really a gel, but it has a gel texture. It's almost like flaxseed gel, I'm just going to pour that into my hand and then use it to fluff out my hair. It works perfectly for curls, so I'm just going to use that. And then using the same thing, I'm going to remove, because my space buns are already getting out of shape, so I'm going to use it to just put on the hair so that it looks nice and smooth. And then I'm going to go ahead and rewrap, or I'm going to go ahead and wrap my buns again. I'm going to do that to the other side and then come back to show you. Okay, now we are almost done. Using my edge control, I'm just going to brush my edges to make them pop, to make them look pretty, to make them fresh, so that I can go ahead and slay. And we are done, guys. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and see you in my next video.
My hair is different to your hair. Give me the sauce, give me some saucy. I don't know why they wanna want me, why they wanna want me.
Don't forget to peep my social media and let's be friends. Go follow me.